Welcome to House Lux Estate, the go-to channel for all your personal finance and real estate needs. Here, our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to master your finances and navigate the world of real estate with confidence. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking for fresh insights, we've got you covered. Our videos offer a balanced mix of easy-to-understand explanations, practical tips, and expert advice. We'll help you demystify financial jargon, make smart investment decisions, and get the most out of your hard-earned money. From budgeting and saving to investing and buying property, think of us as your personal guide to financial freedom. So buckle up and get ready to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we will discuss the best budgeting apps for beginners to manage personal finance. Let's dive in. First on our list is Mint, a well-known budgeting app. Mint has been around for some time and has earned its reputation as one of the leading budgeting tools out there. What sets Mint apart is its ability to provide a comprehensive picture of your financial health. By linking to your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills, Mint provides a real-time snapshot of where your money is going and how much you have left to spend. One of the key features of Mint is its budgeting tool. You can create categories for your spending, such as rent, groceries, or entertainment. Once you've set your budget parameters, Mint will track your spending in each category and alert you when you're nearing your limit. This feature is particularly useful for those who are keen on controlling their spending habits. Mint is not just a budgeting tool, though. It also offers a wealth of other features. For instance, it provides a credit score check, bill reminders, and investment tracking. It even offers personalized tips to help you save money and improve your financial habits. One of the major pros of Mint is its ease of use. The app's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, and its colorful graphics make it visually appealing. It's a tool that's accessible to beginners but still has enough depth to satisfy more experienced users. However, there's no such thing as a perfect app, and Mint is no exception. Some users have reported occasional syncing issues, especially with smaller banks or credit unions. While this is not a universal issue, it's something to keep in mind if you're considering Mint as your budgeting tool. Despite these minor hiccups, Mint remains a robust and comprehensive tool for managing your personal finances. It offers a wealth of features that can help you stay on top of your spending, save for your goals, and improve your financial health. Mint is a great option if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for managing your personal finance. Next up is YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. This budgeting app has a unique approach and positions itself as a financial lifesaver for those looking to take control of their money. YNAB isn't just about tracking your spending, it's about planning for the future. The core philosophy of YNAB revolves around 4 rules. Give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. These rules aren't just catchy phrases, they form the backbone of how YNAB helps you budget. Firstly, give every dollar a job means you allocate every dollar you earn to a certain category, whether it's rent, groceries, or savings. Secondly, embrace your true expenses encourages you to plan for larger, less frequent expenses, like your annual insurance premium, so you're not caught off guard. Thirdly, roll with the punches allows you to adjust your budget as needed throughout the month. Finally, age your money encourages you to live on last month's income, creating a buffer between you and the financial edge. One of the major pros of YNAB is its strong emphasis on education. They offer free live workshops every day on a variety of topics, all aimed at helping you understand your finances and use their app more effectively. They also have a vast library of articles, podcasts, and videos for you to explore at your own pace. However, YNAB does come with a downside: its cost. Unlike some other budgeting apps, YNAB isn't free. There's a monthly fee, but they argue that the benefits you'll reap from using their app will far outweigh this cost. They even offer a 34-day free trial to let you test drive their system. In conclusion, YNAB is a great choice if you're looking for a budgeting app that can help you learn more about managing your personal finance. It's proactive, educational, and encourages you to think ahead, making it a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Another great budgeting app for beginners is PocketGuard. This app has been designed with a primary focus on simplicity and user-friendliness, making it an ideal choice for those dipping their toes into the world of budgeting for the first time. Now let's delve into some of the features that make PocketGuard stand out. One of the key elements is its ability to track your spending. This app links to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your spending habits. From daily coffee runs to monthly utility bills, PocketGuard keeps an eye on every transaction, helping you understand where your money is going. But that's not all. PocketGuard also enables you to set spending limits. This feature is particularly helpful if you're trying to cut back on certain expenditures. Whether it's takeout food or online shopping, you can set a limit and the app will notify you when you're nearing that threshold. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. One of the most praised aspects of PocketGuard is its intuitive interface. The app is clean, uncluttered, and easy to navigate. The graphs and charts are straightforward, presenting your financial information in a digestible and visually appealing manner. Even if you're a total newbie to budgeting, you'll find your way around PocketGuard in no time. However, it's worth noting that PocketGuard isn't without its shortcomings. One of the most common criticisms is its limited customization. While the app does a great job at simplifying budgeting, it doesn't offer much room for personalization. This might be a downside for those who prefer having more control over their budgeting tool, but all in all, PocketGuard offers a solid package for beginners. It's simple, user-friendly, and provides all the basic tools you need to start taking control of your finances. PocketGuard is a great choice for those who want a simple and straightforward budgeting app. So, if you're looking for an easy way to get started with budgeting, PocketGuard might just be the app you need. Now that we've reviewed some of the best budgeting apps for beginners, let's recap. We started off with the Mint budgeting app. This app is a favorite among many due to its comprehensive features. It helps users track their bills, budget, and even check their credit score. The app also offers custom tips and savings, making it a great tool for financial insight. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported issues with syncing accounts. Next, we discussed the YNAB, or You Need a Budget app. This app takes a proactive approach to budgeting. It encourages users to give every dollar a job, meaning you assign each dollar you earn to a specific expense or savings goal. This approach can be extremely beneficial for those who struggle with overspending. However, the YNAB app does come with a monthly fee, which might deter some users. Then, we delved into the PocketGuard budgeting app. This app is particularly known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for budgeting beginners. With PocketGuard, you can easily track your income, expenses, and savings goals all in one place. But remember, while its simplicity is a strength, it may not offer the detailed financial insight that some users may require. Each of these apps has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Mint offers a wide range of features and financial insight, but can have syncing issues. YNAB promotes proactive budgeting and financial responsibility, but comes with a monthly fee. PocketGuard is user-friendly and simple to navigate, but may lack the detailed insight more experienced budgeters might want. In the end, the best budgeting app for you will largely depend on your personal financial needs and habits. Whether you're looking for comprehensive financial insight, a proactive budgeting approach, or a simple and straightforward tool, there's an app out there that can help you manage your personal finances effectively. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one that suits your personal finance needs and habits. That wraps up our review of the best budgeting apps for beginners. We've explored the ins and outs of Mint, YNAB, and PocketGuard. Each of these apps provides unique features and tools to help you take control of your personal finance. Remember, managing your money effectively is a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. It's not just about saving, but also about spending wisely and investing for the future. The apps we've discussed today make it easier for you to track your income and expenses, create realistic budgets, and set financial goals. So why not give one or all of them a try? You might be surprised at how they can transform your financial life. Remember, it's never too late to start budgeting and making informed decisions about your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more personal finance and real estate tips. Until next time.